How to play Valorant on Chromebook. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you the quick way to play Valorant on Chromebook. Without much ado, let's dive right into the video. First, open any web browser on your device. Using the search bar at top of the screen, type in Valorant and search for it. You will get different kinds of results. Simply you need to click on the official website of Valorant, that is the Valorant. Click on it to open it. Now you will land on the official homepage or the web page of Valorant. Click on Play Now at top right corner of the screen. A message or a box appears on your screen. Simply, if you don't have a Riot account, you have to create one, or else, if you have a Riot account, click on Sign In button. And a menu appears on your screen where you have to enter your username and the password. After that, click on this arrow button at bottom right corner of the screen and you can easily sign in to your Riot Games account and play Valorant on Chromebook. Or else you can also create your account using Facebook, Google, Apple ID, Xbox, and many more. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos.